Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Hope you've got your coffee or tea ready because we've got some market updates to chat about. So, let's jump right in. Well, yesterday wasn't the best day for stocks. After riding high for 4 days straight, the winning streak came to an end. The Dow Jones, or as some like to call it, the DJI, went down by around 0.5%, which is roughly 170 points. Both the S&P 500 and our tech friend, the Nasdaq, dipped by 0.6%. Yep, just one of those days. Now, let's chat about the Consumer Price Index report from Thursday. In simpler terms, it's a way we measure inflation. And guess what? It showed that the inflation rate in September didn't really budge much from August, still hovering around 3.7%. Prices for stuff we buy increased a bit more than what the smart folks expected, with a rise of 0.4% from the previous month. Switching gears to bonds, we saw yields on the 10-year and 30-year Treasury climb up a bit, especially that 30-year yield, which rose to a little over 4.85%. And then there's the world of company earnings. The spotlight was on Delta, and well, it wasn't their best moment. Their stock fell by more than 2% because they're thinking they might not make as much money thanks to rising fuel prices. Now, for those of you into finance, keep an eye out today. Big banks like JP Morgan, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and BlackRock are all set to share their numbers. Should be interesting. Lastly, a quick touch on oil prices, which remained pretty stable. However, there's a bit of tension in the air with the situation in Israel and Gaza. Crude oil was chilling around $83 a barrel, and Brent crude edged up just over $86. And there you have it, a quick peek into the market's ups and downs. We'll be back soon with more updates, but until then, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you next time on Capital Markets Quickie.